Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video, I have discussed about different type of event listener, right? Now in this video, I want to discuss about this event. Like here, I have already created as a click. Better I make it as a click right now. And now there is a function as an event. What exactly this event? If you print this event, that is one of the object. It should be return one of the object. I show you. If you now click as a save all, and now if you go click as a refresh, and after clicking this, now you can see it's now display as a pointer event, and into this event area, that is that one of the object and all that our property. You can see there is a multiple property in particular that area. Now there is some of the property as a client X, client Y, and also another one as a offset X, offset Y. So that is one of the another property. First of all, I show you how that all the property executed, like here. After this, I want to load some of the console log. There is a console log I want to better copy it because I want to display some of the property with you. Like here, I paste it. Okay, I simply paste it. Great. So first of all, one of the property in our event, into this event, there is one of the property as a client X. Okay, so if you make it as a event, so that will be, first of all, that will be an event, and this event, one of the property as a client X. Okay, and also there is another one as with this event, I want to access that client Y. Okay, that will be as a client Y. So that is a client Y. So that is another property. If you go, you can see there is a client Y. And now if you click as a save all, and now if you go click as a refresh, and now if you click as a click it in here, now you can see it's now display as some of the wide height. That means that is one of the height and that is the wide. That means it will be accounting from our this index value. That means from our this skin to which place that is a height. Okay, and also it should be started from our this index skin, and from here where exactly the places you click it. So it should be counting your client X and client Y. And also there is another one. As a there is a offset X, offset Y. Offset X, it should be counting which in our this pattern area where exactly you press it. Okay, it should be counting that left to right where exactly the position you press this your button with this mouse. So it should be counting it as offset X. I wish just simply added that event and then the offset X. And also there is another one as event. Okay, event and then offset Y. So that will be as a offset Y. And now if you click as a save all, now if you go, now that will be return another value. Click as a refresh, click as a clean. Yeah, you can see it's now display in particular which positions you actually press this button. It will be counting your this area. With this you can actually get it. And also there is another one as a alter key. There is one of the alter key. That means when you click this button, if you press that as an alter key, then that will be returned as a true. Like there is a alter key, and also there is another one alter key, and then there is a wide. There is a target, and you can see there is a shift key. There is also another one. When you press this button, are you pressing with this shift key or not? It will be when you press it as a shift key, then that will be returned as a true. I show you. And also there is another one. The alter. You can see there is a control key. First of all, I want to display as an alter key. That will be as an event. Okay, with this event, I want to display that alter key, and then with this event, and then that will be another one. As a shift key. If you go, that is a shift key, right? I copy it. That will be the shift key with the event. Okay, that is the event, and with this event I want to access another one as a control key. Okay, like here they have one of the control. You can see there's a control key. I copy it. Now that will be as a control key. So with this we can actually get some of the data, like I show you. Click as a save all, and now if you go, now click as a refresh. So right now I want to press with the shift key. Okay, I press as a shift, and now if you click at this button, now you can see it's now display which things. It's now display as a true. That means here I make it as a shift key. I press that as a shift key. For the reasons it's now become as a true. And now if you make it as with the alter key, like I refresh it, and now I'm pressing that alter key, and now click as a click. Yes, you can see now our alter is become true, and both of this is become false. Okay, and also there is another one as a control key. So now I want to press it with the control. I press it the control key. Now click as a clean this button. You can see now our control button is the true. That means here it is returning one of the value as a true. That means I am pressing as a control. So now if you make it with the, I make it as a control shift. Okay, I press the control shift button. Now click as a clean. Yes, you can see our alter key is now false, and then our shift key is true, and then control key is true. That means I press 2 of this button when I click this our action area. I hope friend you get some of the idea, right? And also if you want to get that type, you can also get this type. Like here I want to get this event. Okay, event type. I want to get this event type. So if you refresh it, that means save it. Now go there, now refresh. Now that should be display on the type. If you click it, now you can see it's now display our type. That means our event type. So right now I am using that click event type, right? There have the different type of event, click, double click. I have already discussed about that things with you. Right now I'm actually using our type, that means our event type, as a click. And now I want to discuss about one of the most important things as a target. Okay, here if you go, you can see there is a target, and into this target area there have also a lot of the property. If you want to get a specific this button details, that means a class name, if you want to get that inner text, everything you can actually get it. But I show you, if you want to get it, that will be as a target. Okay, that means here if you get that event and then the target, I just simply get that is the event target. And now if you go click as save all, now that will be get all that your targeted value. Now you can see our targeted is our total things. There is a button, class name, and then there is our inner text. Also everything is visible. Also if they have any ID, you can also able to get this ID. If you want to get it, you can also get it. Then only you have to do that will be as an event. Okay, that will be as an event, and just simply understand it, friend. Literally everything will be needed. Like there is a target, and then I want to get that this targeted value ID. And also if you want to get this targeted value, that means the event. Okay, event and then target, and this targeted I want to get that class name. Okay, I want to get that class. Okay, I want to get that class and then name. So I want to get this class name. That means this event target class name. And also if you want to get the inner text, you can also get it. That will be the target and then the inner text. Okay, I make it as inner text. So that will be inner text. So now everything should be it should be get. Now click as a save all. Now go there, click as a refresh. Now click it. Now you can see it's now successfully get our inner text. Right now they have no ID, for the reason is display as undefined, and you can see it's now display our clear all button. That is our inner text, right? So that is the inner text is now successfully visible. Okay friend, I hope you get some of the idea how you can get that ID, how you can get the targeted value class name, because it's spelling mistake. So that is the class name. Okay, now that should be display the class name, because they have no ID, for the reason it's not display our ID. Click as a refresh. Now click it. You can see it's perfect. So in our 15 into this 15, I have display as a ID. For the in particular that position, there have no ID. You can see there is only the class name and there is the inner text, right? So for the reasons here, after that I display the class name and then the inner text. So for the reasons it's display as our inner text. Okay, that is the inner text is display, and also display our class name. That is our this dev. That is total the class name, right? It successfully get this data. Okay, and also here if you want to do, like when you click as a clear all button, and after that if you want to change that background color, you can also do that work. I show you. For doing this here, you have to do like I want to make it as event. Okay, event, and into this event, then the target. Okay, event target, and here I want to add that style. Okay, style, and I want to use that as a background color. Okay, background. So that is a background color. Okay, I want to use that background color, and background color I want to do right now as a black. Now if let's check this out, click as a save all, and now if you go click as a refresh. Okay, make it as a refresh, and now if you like right now that is a red, right? When you click as a click, yes, you can see it's now become changed. Now that is become black. I hope friend you like it very much. It's very easy process. So step by step we'll do a lot of work. Don't worry about it. But also your task, you have to understand it, and also you have to remember it. Okay, like that is our event. That is our event. All that property. How can get that targeted value with this targeted? How can change that style? I hope it's very much clear to you. So it's very simple, all the things. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.